Hey there, Alfred here again. What's up, beautiful people around the globe? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching from. I hope everything's okay with you today. Sun globe showing America's crescent moon. Welcome back to my Forex trading documentary journey. And hey, don't you even think of leaving me hanging like a pending order. Backhand index pointing right if you haven't subscribed yet. What are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, give me a like, and tap that bell icon, so you won't miss out on any of my upcoming Forex trading adventures. Chart increasing collision. In my last tutorial, I showed you how to open your very first demo account using HFM as your Forex broker. Honestly, even without Metatrader 5, you can already start buying and selling currencies using just the HFM app. But wait, there are some limitations in the HFM app. Like, you can't draw trend lines or use all those juicy chart indicators we love. That's where Metatrader 5 comes to the rescue. Man Superhero Bar Chart. It's packed with features, tons of indicators, tools for charting, and yes, you can draw like an artist. I know you're excited to place your first trade on Metatrader 5, so in this video, I'll show you how to install Metatrader 5 on your Android phone, how to log in to your demo account, basic features of Metatrader 5, and how to configure it so you can start trading like a boss. Let's jump into my demo now. First, go to the Play Store and search for Metatrader 5. Hit install, and once done, open the Metatrader 5 app. Next, grab your demo account details from the email you received when signing up with HFM. You'll need your account number, your nominated password. Don't have a demo account yet? Check out the tutorial link in the description below. Use those demo credentials and log in to Metatrader 5. Just follow the step-by-step guide on screen. After logging in, let's explore some of the basic features I use every day for my trading. Under the Quotes tab, you'll see all the currency pairs you can trade. You can add or remove pairs based on your strategy. For me, I keep it simple: Euro to US dollar and gold/USD only. Quality over quantity, baby. Next is the Charts tab. This is where the magic happens. Most of your analysis and trading time will be spent right here. So pay close attention, my trading warriors. Here, you'll see the chart of your selected trading pair. In my case, I chose XAU/USD, that's gold against the US dollar. At the top, you'll notice several handy icons. The crosshair icon helps spot entry, exit, and price targets. It's perfect for analyzing past price action. Next, the indicator icon. Browse and select from dozens of chart indicators to create your game plan. Then comes the time frame icon. It controls how long each candlestick lasts. From minutes to months, you name it. Want to see hourly candles? Boom. Set it to 1 hour. Next is the pending order icon. This lets you set trades to activate when price hits a certain level. There are two types of pending orders. By limit, buy when price drops to your ideal level. Sell limit, sell when price rises to your target. Blue line equals buy, red line equals sell. Remember, blue for up, red for down. The market order icon lets you jump into trades instantly at the current price. Perfect when the market's moving and you don't want to miss out. To zoom in on charts, pinch out with 2 fingers. To zoom out, pinch in with 2 fingers. Other super handy feature of Metatrader 5 is the circular shortcut menu. Tap and hold on the chart to open a circular shortcut menu. Super handy. Here, you'll find Settings, Chart Indicators, Drawing Tools Objects, Time Frames. The Objects icon lets you draw trend lines, horizontal vertical lines, shapes for support resistance, arrows and labels for notes. To use it, tap hold chart select object icon, choose tap to place it. Want to edit or delete? Just tap the object. Now let's check out the Trade tab at the bottom. This is your dashboard for all open and pending trades. You'll see open trades, pending orders, account balance, equity, margin info. Want to close or modify a trade? Just tap it. I'll open and close one trade now, just for demo. Next up, the History tab, where all your past glory and learning moments are stored. See your past trades, profits and losses, deposits and withdrawals. Filter by date, week, month, however you like. And that's a wrap on the Metatrader 5 features I personally use. There's more to explore, so feel free to dig around and try stuff out. Now for some quick config tweaks I like to use. First, I switch from light to dark mode. It's easier on the eyes. I also enable sounds and turn on one-click trading for faster entries. Just tap buy or sell and you're instantly in the trade. No pop-ups, no delays. Just be careful, you're trading for real. And that's the end of my demo on setting up and configuring Metatrader 5 on your mobile phone. I hope you've learned something awesome today. In my next video, I'll teach you how to add different chart indicators and how I use them in my trading. Stick around and learn with me, alright? Got tips or ideas? Drop them in the comments below. And don't forget, subscribe, like, and hit that bell icon so you're always updated on my next video adventures. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Take care always.